liver and kidney by Organic India. Speaking of, I'm gonna take my two right now. That's what they look like. Why would you want to take liver and kidney? Well, with all the supplements that I take and some of us take, it is important to note that there will be some pressure that's being put on your liver and kidneys, since your liver acts as the primary organ which processes all the nutrients that you ingest, whether it's coming from whole foods or supplements. Your liver works tremendously hard to ensure everything is processed. Whether you take ibuprofen, acetaminophen, prescription drugs, guess what? Your liver is there to process everything and keep you in a regulated homeostasis mode. So that's really where a liver support supplement becomes crucial, but not just for anybody just for the sake of taking it. It's more so to ensure that if you are taking copious amounts of supplements, like I know I do, in the morning I start off with alpha GPC from a nootropic supplement, vitamin C, sometimes alpha lipoic acid, lion's mane mushroom, the list goes on. And this is all being processed by your liver and of course downstream your kidneys. So that's really where I found this supplement. I've been taking it for about 6 to 8 months, and of course I get blood work done regularly. The biggest objective with taking this supplement was to ensure that my levels remain normal and kidney function, liver function, all of that remains at a healthy state. In terms of what's in here, I've noticed and observed that you guys don't really care to see the NCBI scientific literature studies. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you would like to see those, I'll more than happily do a full breakdown and dismantling of the scientific literature that exists there on each of these three herbs that they have. But just to give you high level, organic Bhumia Malakai 250 milligrams, organic Kotuki 200 milligrams, organic Punarnava 200 milligrams, and I'll put it up on the right. But basically all three of these ingredients have been shown in multiple studies to have hepatoprotective properties, to be utilized in treatments where an antibiotic is given to a group of subjects. That antibiotic is known to cause liver or kidney damage, and so they supplement those patients with one of these three compounds, if not all three. And what they saw is that the liver damage, which is typically expected from doing from consuming that particular antibiotic, was not prevalent with supplementation of these three herbs. These are all Ayurvedic herbs, of course, all stemming from Ayurvedic roots in India. So I would highly implore you to consider a supplement like this if you are someone who takes copious amounts of supplements, and not for the sake of taking another supplement because you take supplements, but more so because it does not hurt to have a protective and preventative regime in your life, which could involve a supplement like this, and really to ensure that long-term longevity wise you are not causing any harm. It's all about harm reduction. I know I take pre-workouts here and there, a DMHA pre-workout. We don't know the long-term implications of taking DMAA or DMHA pre-workouts, and of course copious amounts of caffeine. Hence, it is always good to be preventative, and there's no better way to be preventative than, of course, by taking herbs versus, of course, if lo and behold, you do end up in a situation where you do have kidney and liver issues, then of course you're going to be prescribed pharmaceuticals. And at that point, it's difficult to simply do it on a Ayurvedic or naturopathic approach at that point. That's where allopathic medicine becomes sort of the integral part of your mending process and remedy and whatnot. I hope you found that helpful. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. I will catch you on the next one.